The most common reason women reach out to me is because their knees hurt. They don't really know why their knees hurt, but they do. They've probably recently changed their workouts a little bit, maybe started running, hiking, did more stairs than usual. There's no real reason they can see for their knees hurting, and they're typically frantic. They're nervous that they've torn their ACL or done something really serious. Usually what I find is their hips aren't strong enough. Now, they may have some issues with their thigh muscles, whether it's in the front or the back, and we address that and we look at how their kneecap is moving and how their joint is bending, but the knee's pretty stable. You probably didn't tear your meniscus or your ACL and your PCL just starting to do squats. But what probably did happen is your hips were not strong enough to handle your new activity. So I'm going to show you my favorite exercises to increase hip strength that I typically see in women. Now, this doesn't guarantee it's going to make all your pain go away, and you can't just do it once and expect it to work. The bad thing about exercise is you have to do it, and you have to do it again, and you have to do more of it and make it harder to really keep progressing and make it work. But you can do it. I'm going to put out this video with a few of my favorite knee exercises. They're hip exercises to help reduce your knee pain. And then I'll put out a few others in different positions or maybe with a different piece of equipment that you can work on. First hip exercise I'm going to give you, you're going to bend your bottom knee, straighten out your top leg and point the toes straight ahead. Lift up and down. And this should stay back behind your body a little bit. If your leg starts to come forward, these are easy. You can do these all day. Then back here should be really challenging, right? Kind of the side of your hip. I want you to be able to do 20 to 30 of these pretty easily without having to stop. In this position, you can also try to take your leg. You're going to make little rainbows. You're going to go from the front to the back. Front and back. Front to back is 1. Try about 20 of these. And then in this position, you stack your knees, keep your feet together, and lift your top knee up and lower down. Make sure you don't rock backwards at all. Stay on your side, lift and lower, and you should feel that in that same hip area. These are some great exercises you can do laying on your side that will really target your hip to help reduce knee pain.